So, guys, let's take a look at favicons. Now, favicons are nothing but a little icon that appears on the top of your web browser. As you can see on the screen over here, this little red looking icon with a yellow dot inside. Now, this is just a sample image which I created in an online favicon designer, and you can find your own favicon designers or you can create them using software like Photoshop or GIMP. So this is what it looks like in close up. It's a very tiny image and it has a very small resolution. And yes, try to keep your favicons in as small a resolution as format as possible. So the default name for your favicon is favicon, okay, and favicon.ico. That's what your web browser is always going to try to look for in the browser, in the server. And the server is going to provide a favicon.ico file if it exists. If it does not, it's just going to show you your browser's own identity window, identity icon. So that could be the Microsoft Edge or Chrome or Firefox icon. Right now you see this default icon which is favicon.ico, and I have referenced it over here using the link attribute link tag inside the head element. Now inside head, first of all, the link can be a link to another style sheet or some other sort of a document, but in this case it is basically a favicon file. So the relationship is icon, that is the attribute you need to provide, and also need to provide what type of icon it is. Now I'm about to change it to a PNG file, so it's going to become image slash PNG. And the href, just like your anchor tag, has to refer to some file that exists. Now in my folder structure, if you look at it correctly, you'll find there is a second file which I created, that is myfavi.png. I created this file simply using Microsoft Paintbrush, or you can use any other tool that suits you. It's a .png file and it has slightly larger resolution than the default favicon file. Now I can basically reference to that file .png file. So please understand, you can have your custom favicons built in .png format also. And here you go, as you can see, it has changed to the red icon on the tabs and on the title of the web page. That's about it with the favicons. Please note that favicons may require higher resolution icons on different types of screens. If you are using an expensive smartphone which has a very high resolution and the capacity to display a better icon, you can make good use of it. But mind it, this could also cost you the time of download on the internet speed, which can again easily be resolved using a CDN. Thanks again. See you in the next chapter.